Hi, this is Mrs. Avila presenting your lesson for Tuesday, April 28th. So today our essential question is, have I learned the key concepts for Chapter 1? Today we are going to be taking the Chapter 1 practice quiz, which means that you will need to watch this Screencastify video that you're watching right now showing you what to do. You're going to open the key concepts list document to help you on the practice quiz, and you're going to complete the Chapter 1 practice quiz and turn it in for a grade. So you will need to have this Screencastify video open, the key concepts document open, and the Chapter 1 practice quiz open. Meme of the day, I will make you a mask and I want you out of my house today. That's a cat at the sewing machine. You have to kind of wonder what our pets are thinking as we're home all the time now. All right, so the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to open the key concepts that are in this assignment. And your key concepts look like this. You can use these key concepts during the quiz. You may use these during the quiz to help you get the correct answers. You're also going to open your quiz. And this is my third time recording this video because I realized as I was reading the very last question last time that it showed the correct answers. So I obviously couldn't use that one. All right, so let's look at what you are going to fill in on the quiz. It says Unit 7, Chapter 1 practice quiz. Use the key concepts attached. You have those open. You can use those. So you're going to fill in your student number, not your email, your student number. You're going to fill in your last name, comma, first name. So for example, I would be Avila, comma, Cheryl. Okay, what period are you in? You are going to mark what period. And now, if you do not need or benefit from read aloud, you can turn off the video. Just remember to submit your work, press the turn in button. If you benefit from read aloud, then you're going to continue with this video, and you can press pause whenever you need me to pause and give you time to answer the questions. Okay? So for those of you that benefit from reading, analyzing gas and temperature data is part 1 here. Choosing data. Global average temperature has increased since about 1880. We want to look at data for methane, carbon dioxide, and sulfur dioxide in the atmosphere in order to consider the claim that an increase in those gases has caused this current warming. So which time period's data would provide the best evidence? Would you want data from 1880 to 2014, which is A, data from 1995 to 2014, which is B, or data from 2013 to 2014, which is C? You're going to choose your best answer, and you're going to click it. Just random here. Okay, part 2, global average temperature trend. Here you have a graph, global average temperature, 1880 to 2009. X-axis you have year, Y-axis you have temperature. For global average temperature, what is the trend or change? What is the trend overall? Is the trend A, increasing or getting warmer? Is the trend B, decreasing or getting cooler? Or C, no trend or change, which means neither warmer nor cooler? You're going to choose A, B, or C. Okay, pause if needed. I'm moving on to the next one. You can unpause me when done. Analyzing gas and temperature data continued. Part 3, carbon dioxide trend. On the left, we have a graph of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. And on the right, we have the global average temperature from 1880 to 2009. Compare the trends for carbon dioxide and temperature in the graphs below. Do these graphs show the same trend? Your answer choices are yes or no. So you're going to choose one there. Part 4, methane trend. You have a graph on the left that represents methane in the atmosphere. You have a graph on the right, which is representing global average temperature from 1880 to 2009. Your question is, compare the trends for methane and temperature in the graphs above. Do these graphs show the same trend? Yes or no? Looking at overall trend. Okay, part 5, sulfur dioxide trend. Compare the trends for, you have a graph on the left of sulfur dioxide in the atmosphere and a graph on the right, which is global average temperature from 1880 to 2009. The question reads, compare the trends for sulfur dioxide and temperature in the graphs above. Do these graphs show the same trend? Yes or no? Okay, and because I put it in as a student, I'm going to have to go in and put an answer for each one before it shows me the next section. If I don't, and I was using mine, you are going to see answers. So can't do that. So I'm just going to put in some random answers. All right, next. Your answer. Must be a number. That doesn't make sense. Okay, I'm going to have to change that for you guys, but I will. Okay, next one. Chapter 1 question, why is ice melting on Earth? Number 6, ice is melting because blank energy is being absorbed by Earth's surface. Do you think that is going to be A, more, B, less, or C, the same amount of? Next, the data show that blank and methane gases have been increasing in the atmosphere over the past 100 years. Is that A, sulfur dioxide, B, carbon dioxide, or C, nitrogen dioxide? Just trying to move on. Okay, 8, as greenhouse gases increase within the Earth system, so does global average blank. Would that be pollution, time, or temperature? As greenhouse gases increase within the Earth system, so does global average blank. Okay, 9, as greenhouse gases decrease within the Earth system, the amount of energy absorbed by the surface does what? Is it A, reflects, B, decreases, or C, increases? As greenhouse gases decrease within the Earth system, the amount of energy absorbed by the system does what? Okay, number 10, what is causing the Earth's temperature to rise and ice to melt? Choose the claim that is best supported by the data. Okay, increasing hot things such as forest fires, heat from machines used in factories and cars, body heat from people and other organisms, or volcanic eruptions is increasing Earth's temperature and causing the ice to melt. B, increasing carbon dioxide and methane gases are causing temperatures to increase and ice to decrease. Or increasing sulfur dioxide and methane gases are causing temperature to increase and ice to decrease. Okay. Shh. Okay. You're then going to press submit. All right. Once you're done, you're done. And remember that during these questions, you can always go and look at the key concepts to help you figure out the answers, okay? All right, that's it. Have a good day. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye-bye.